So here's the before of something that we don't use anymore, but show you this is the order board, and so we've got notes going on over there, plus we've got date of delivery, and then we've got the setup of all the things that we sell and who we sell them to, and so we call this the order board. So you can see that we've got the different places that we sell to, and the problem is that we don't sell to all those places anymore. And then there's products that we don't have. Like right now, we don't have carrots. We don't grow carrots at all anymore, and the green beans. So that's a problem of always having that up there, and then we have these blank spaces that don't look very good, and it's hard to find. It's just not lean for us. Then we had issue with an old software program that didn't tell us the pricing of certain things. It didn't tell us what the cases were, how many went into a case. And so that no longer is the issue, but that information is still up there. So we needed to start getting a better situation, because you can see where the ink is getting rubbed off when we would write up there, and then when your hand would get in the middle, and you would put your wrist over it, or you'd move one thing over to another thing, and maybe you would erase one thing and accidentally erase another, and then we've got all those over there that we don't sell to all the time, or a couple of them we don't sell to at all. And we just wanted to get this all cleaned up and make it a little bit easier for everybody to read and find the orders right away. So this is what we ended up doing is we took the laser printer, and we took all of our products, and then we put them in. I printed them out in the color that the packaging goes in, and used the old magnetic business card stuff. And so I printed them out on just a regular piece of paper, and then it's really sticky on the one side, and then it's magnetic on the other, and I just cut them. And then we were able to put them into the placing that who we had to sell it to, and then how much they ordered, and we were able to put it in. And you can see we still have a couple of blank spaces, but those are pretty well easily fixed. And then if somebody orders that didn't order the week before, like Wagner Farm, then we just put them up there, and then we just slap their orders in there for whatever they ordered. And then we have off to the side here things that aren't in production right now, and we can move things around however we want them. So if we get Easter egg radishes up, we can just slap it in there, and then we can put in what people ordered and everything. Same with the bulks. We keep those down at the bottom, and we just take those right off. We had one, this was a random one, bulk radishes, and we just didn't do that anymore, so we didn't really need to make a permanent thing. Data delivery stays the same, didn't really have to worry about that, but it made it just a lot cleaner and a lot easier for people to see.